are solving log equations, actually. And it says, find the domain of the solution set and then solve. Well, if I look at domain, remember the argument must be positive. Argument is 5x plus 8 must be positive, so that x must be greater than, subtract 8, divided by 5. So there's your domain. Remember, this is natural log, so this is log base e of 5x plus 8 equals 4. E to the 4 equals 5x plus 8. So if I want to solve for x, e to the 4 minus 8 equals 5x, or x is e to the 4 minus 8 minus 8. It's not 4 minus 8. It's e to the 4 minus 8, all divided by 5. X plus 2 to the 2 is 81. Now, x plus 2 is a base, and a base must be positive. So x plus 2 must be positive, or x is greater than negative 2. So there's your domain. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. So x plus 2 equals plus or minus 9. X equals minus 2 plus or minus 9. X equals minus 2 minus 9. X equals minus 2 plus 9. This is negative 11. It has to be greater than negative 2. X is 7. Now here, with dealing with domain, I have two things. I know that x plus 3 has to be positive, and x minus 3 has to be positive. Here x is greater than negative 3, and x has to be greater than 3. You pick the bigger of the two. So properties of logs has you bringing these together. So log base 4 of x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals 2. Or x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals, rewrite this, 4 squared. X squared minus 9 equals 4 squared is 16. X squared equals 25. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. X equals plus or minus 5. So x is 5, x is minus 5, but x has to be greater than 3. So if I put 5 in, I'm fine. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Can take the log of both of those. But negative 5 plus 3 is a negative number. So now this is a quotient. So this says log of x plus 3 over x minus 2 equals 2. Again, I forgot the domain. X plus 3 must be positive, and x minus 2 must be positive. X must be greater than negative 3, and x must be greater than 2. The bigger the 2 is greater than 2, so that's your domain. Now remember, the base on this guy is 10. So 10 squared is equal to the argument plus 3 over x minus 2 equals 10 squared, or x plus 3 over x minus 2 equals 100 over 1. Multiply through by x minus 2, I get that 100 times x minus 2 equals x plus 3. 100x minus 200 equals x plus 3. Subtract x, 99x minus 200 equals 3. 99x equals 203, or x equals 203 divided by 99, which is certainly bigger than 2. It says think substitution. Well, I'm going to let b be equal to 3 to the x, so that b squared is 3 to the x squared, which is 3 to the 2x. So this is b minus 8, that's b, minus 9 equals 0. This is a squared. So this is b minus 9, b plus 1 equals 0. b equals 9, b equals negative 1. But b is 3 to the x. So 3 to the x is 9. 3 to the x is negative 1. Can't be this guy because this guy's never negative. So that 3 to the x equals 3 to the 2. The bases are the same, so the exponents are equal. So x equals 2. And by the way, the domain, if you want to know, he's an exponential, so it's all real numbers.